Welcome, kids! Let's learn science.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, come and play. We get smarter every day.
Before we begin, make sure you have the following: a small dry erase whiteboard, a dry erase marker, and an eraser. Listen carefully to each question. When the question is finished, a timer will appear on the screen to give you time to think. Write the letter of your answer on your whiteboard. When the timer ends, hold up your whiteboard so everyone can see your answer. Our lesson for today is about pushes, collisions, and shapes.
Let's begin. When two cars bump into each other, what happens? And the correct answer is letter A, they may change direction. When you press a soft toy, the toy is pushing back with blank. And the correct answer is letter A, force. How do two crash test dummies affect each other when they hit? And the correct answer is letter B, push.
To move a swing, you apply a blank. And the correct answer is letter A, push. When two rubber balls collide, what can happen? And the correct answer is letter A, they bounce off each other. If you lean on a wall, the wall pushes on you with equal blank. And the correct answer is letter A, force.
When two cars crash, they blank. And the correct answer is letter A, collide. A soft rubber ball hitting a wall will change shape less than a ball made of. And the correct answer is letter B, clay. After a fast marble hits a slow marble, the fast marble changes its. And the correct answer is letter A, speed.
Which object moves the least after a collision with a car? And the correct answer is letter B, big truck. Do objects change their path after they blank? And the correct answer is letter B, collide. Hitting a still object with a rolling ball transfers motion or blank? And the correct answer is letter A, energy.
Squeezing a ball of dough changes its blank. And the correct answer is letter A, shape. When a strong punch hits a pillow, the pillow will. And the correct answer is letter A, flatten. Hitting a tennis ball with a racket changes the ball shape for a short? And the correct answer is letter B, time.
A push that makes something dented is called and the correct answer is letter B, force. A hard push on a block of clay changes its and the correct answer is letter B, form. When you step on a muddy footprint, the mud's shape will and the correct answer is letter A, change.
Which push is most likely to change an object's shape? And the correct answer is letter B, strong hit. What happens when a rubber ball is squished on the floor? And the correct answer is letter A, pushes back. What changed the shape of Play-Doh when you kneaded it? And the correct answer is letter A, hands.
Hitting a flexible rubber block into a wall might cause it to... And the correct answer is letter B, bend. The harder two things crash, the more likely they are to change their And the correct answer is letter A, form. Which object is easier to change the shape of with a light squeeze? And the correct answer is letter B, balloon.
Out of 20 for questions, how many did you get right? Type your score in the comments section. If you want a printable copy of these task cards, click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning English fun and free. 1, 2, 3, count along. Math is easy, math is strong. Science helps us ask and see how the world can really be. Think and learn in every way. Markimatics leads the way. Learn, learn, come and play. We get smarter